Hello all, welcome to chapter 24 from the book of Genesis. In this chapter, we see that Abraham is old and he is speaking with his eldest servant Eliezer. The chapter itself does not say that Eliezer is the eldest servant of Abraham. However, from chapter 15, we can infer that the eldest servant was Eliezer, because in that chapter Abraham is speaking with God and saying if he goes childless, all the inheritance will go towards his eldest servant and names him as Eliezer. Coming back to this chapter, Abraham makes Eliezer promise him that he will find a wife for his son Isaac from among his own people. He makes Eliezer promise that Isaac should not marry a woman from among the Canaanites. Eliezer has some doubts and says, what if the girl that he chooses does not wish to come to the land of Canaan? And should he be taking Isaac to meet the girl instead? Abraham says no and assures Eliezer that an angel will lead him and he will definitely be able to find a wife for Isaac. We then see Eliezer takes 10 camels and goes to Mesopotamia, the city of Nahor. Nahor, as we have seen in the previous chapters, is Abraham's brother. Eliezer then makes his camels kneel near the well and he speaks with God, saying that the woman that comes at the well and gives water to both him and his camels will be the woman that God has chosen as a bride for Isaac. Rebecca is a very fair woman and very good looking, and she is the one who comes at the well and does exactly what Eliezer had kept as a sign as the chosen bride. Rebecca is the daughter of Bethuel, son of Nahor and Milcah. Eliezer immediately takes out an earring and two bracelets for Rebecca. He asks her if he can lodge with them and asks whose daughter was she. Rebecca says yes, and Eliezer praises the Lord God. Rebecca then runs home and tells the family about this incident. Rebecca's brother Laban goes to meet Eliezer and brings him home and also offers food. Eliezer says he would like to first narrate the purpose of his visit. He gives complete information with regards to the conversation he had with Abraham. We then see Laban requesting Eliezer to wait for 10 days. However, Eliezer pleads to start the journey right away. Rebecca is also asked for her consent towards this marriage and she agrees to it. Eliezer gives jewels and raiment to Laban and his mother. We then see Eliezer and Rebekah reach to the land of Canaan. Isaac is in the field and is coming towards them. Eliezer informs Rebekah about Isaac, and Rebekah covers her face with a veil. We then see that they get married, and the chapter ends with a verse stating Isaac is comforted after Sarah's death. It informs us for the first time about uh, Isaac's emotional condition, where he was feeling very sad because his mother was no more. This is how the chapter ends. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.